Today is really cold, but I want to do this thing. Today I decided to bleach some old jeans. I have no idea what the purpose of this is, but I was gonna like cut it there, just because I just wanted like ripped. I don't know. But I like drew it on there, and then I realised you can't cut it because the bleach will like wear it away or something. I read on the internet.
But baby, if you say you want me to stay, I'll change my mind.
I just don't like this colour anymore, to be honest, and I have nothing else better to do with my life. So I'll meet you in the bathroom. Thank you, bye. Welcome to my bathroom. I'm going to do it in the bathtub because I have nowhere else to do it, and that, like, big brain power. I also don't know what to measure it with, so I've literally got a cup. And I'm actually really scared because I don't know how long to leave this. I found it, but I read somewhere that it's like 1 part bleach, 3 part water. I don't know what parts are. I'm gonna chuck in an equal amount because that seems sensible. It doesn't seem sensible, hang on. That's 10 cups of water. You can't really see it. But now I'm going to put some bleach on it and see like what happens. Now I'm glad I wore my mask. So I used that cup, I put 10 cups of water in. 10. And I put 3 cups of bleach in. I do not know if it's going to work at all. It's not even spread evenly. I really don't want to touch it either. So I'm just going to leave it, come back later and see what it's like. Currently it's only 8:40 PM, so like I will check back at around 12ish. So my room has got a lot messier since last time. I'm gonna see if I can do this video here. It's not that good lighting, to be honest. Find the trousers, I actually don't know where they are, which is a big worry for me because they could be anywhere. They could be anywhere. They're in my drawers. Hang on. Please stand by. So I found the big reveal. This is how they turn out. That's much lighter. So I did want some white jeans, and I was gonna buy them when Primark reopened because like they're really cheap there. But this actually quite good considering it's not perfectly white, but it is really good considering the amount of bleach we used. These have stayed on. The pencils have gone a bit, which is the pencils that I needed, the pencil markings, because the whiteboard ones aren't the best. But I'll do the pencil markings off camera, then I'll cut them on camera, and I'll try them on camera. And that's a lot of stuff to do. Oh well, YouTuber vibes. I'm back. I've cut them, and I've just realised that they're much thinner than they were before. So they could rip a lot because like it does weaken the fabric a lot. But I've cut out the knee holes. And I also decided to, because there was a lot of like blue things around the rims, I don't know what you call them, but I decided to cut ends off as well, just because otherwise it looks strange, because there's loads and loads of blue on them. So but yeah, that's all I've done. So this is their final look, and I'm going to quickly try them on, and so you'll see that video now, but I'll see it in like 5 minutes. So this is the final result of what they look like. I do kind of like them. They are kind of tight because they are really old trousers. You can see it's still a little bit of blue running down the legs a bit. But yeah, apart from that, they look perfectly fine. The rips, they are very weak at the rips. And the ends, you can't really notice them, to be honest, because, well, I don't know. But yeah, there is a bit of like colour, like there's blue kind of there's blue in some places, but they do look alright, and I might wear them out. I'm not really sure. They're not the best, but they do look okay, to be honest. Coming to conclusion, will I do this again? No, I think it was just a waste of time, and it's not really my sort of thing to do. Would I wear them out? Probably not. They're not really like my sort of style, and the rips, it's just too thin for me. So I don't really like them. But they're okay. I like the colour, I just don't like how they turn out, to be honest. And especially with all the like blue dye leaks all over there. They're just blue blotches, and it doesn't look very good, if you get what I mean. So, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a thumbs up if you did like it. Comment below if you want me to do this again. I might do it again if I get enough comments. Yeah, subscribe, the big red button down there or there, or if you're on a mobile, there, and then there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. I hope you enjoyed.